Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lydia and I am going to be telling you how to manifest anything you fucking want during this video, and that is what my whole channel is about. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe because it makes my day. In this video, I'm going to be giving you my 4-step process to manifesting anything. You can apply this to any subject. I don't care what it is. You can apply it to this. For those of you who don't know, you can work with me one-on-one, or you can join my manifestation membership, where I give you everything you could possibly need to program your subconscious mind and manifest the life you want. I'm talking sleep affirmations, journal exercises, workshops, meditations, EFT, and daily support from me, plus monthly training sessions and coaching sessions. It's got everything. The link is below if you want to join us. Let's get started. The first step to manifesting what you want is to get clear on what it is that you want. So many people want a certain lifestyle. They might see it on TikTok or Instagram, and they have like a fuzzy outline of what it is they think they'd want, but they don't have the specifics. Now you can use this to design the lifestyle you want, which is what I do personally, because I want the whole picture. Or you can do it to manifest a house. Again, I've done this before. I've manifested houses, I've manifested cars, I've manifested living in Ibiza, I've manifested my businesses being successful, I've manifested being a full-time content creator. There is honestly nothing you can't put your mind to. If you want it, you can have it. So get clear on what it is that you want. If you are struggling with this, ask yourself, what don't I want? It's probably going to be the opposite. A lot of us really know what we don't want. So if you are struggling to get clear on what it is that you do want, then that's where you should look first. You can also ask yourself, okay, what do I want? I want a business. What do I want that business to look like? So for me, I like not getting up before 10 a.m. I am not a morning girly. No way, no way, no way. Even if I'm up before 10 a.m, I don't like working before 10 a.m. It's not me. I'm not going to do it. That is what success looks like to me. So this is that's not the only thing on my business dream list. I have my income that I want to make every single month, the type of clients I want to work with, the type of content I want to create. I know exactly what I want for my business and how I envision it. And that's how I get super clear on it. You can do this with a career. You can do this attracting in your dream partner. You can write out the if you're trying to manifest a dream partner, write down the values first. It's really important, what they look like. It's a given that we want to manifest in someone that we fancy. So we know what we like when it comes to that area. Write down the values first. Are they loyal? Are they a family person? Do they have a good work ethic? They might not be important to you. Those 3 things would be really important to me. So write them down. Then add like, what do they look like? My type is blue eyes and ADHD. I like them when they can bounce around with me and have fun, sing and dance. Also, you can go a step further. What type of things would you want to be doing in the relationship? Like, is this somebody who would go on day trips with you? You have the same music taste? Would they like to go? Like, for me, I'd love them to come to raves with me. Like, 2-stepping all night under the fucking DJ booth. Yes, mate. It's not a non-negotiable for me, but that would just make my day. And so this exercise can be really fun. If it's a house, where's it located? What does it look like? How many bedrooms has it got? How do you feel in that house, more importantly? What's the vibe? Get super clear on what it is you are trying to manifest. Like I said, you can either do this for a lifestyle as a whole, or you can do it for very specific areas in your life. Once you've got clear, it's time to move on to the second step. So my second step, and by the way, there are so many content creators online that are giving a different step-by-step process. That's fine. Fuck with who you want to fuck with and do what works for you. This is what works for me and my clients with great success. So just saying. The next step is to figure out your resistance to this thing. So what are my limiting beliefs when it comes to what I'm trying to manifest? So do I believe I make money easily in business? Do I believe my business has got a good product? Do I believe that love comes to me easy? This is all about figuring out your self-concept and your concept of the thing. So what is my self-concept in general? What are my limiting beliefs about me? My limiting beliefs about me are I'm not good enough, I'm not worthy, I don't deserve nice things, I have to work really hard for things, everything comes but with a struggle. Like, I really sit down and have a deep dive into the resistance that comes up for you when you think about your self-concept. and then do the same for the object of your desire. So what do I think about when it comes to money and the money I want to make? What do I think about the business that I want to have? What are my limiting beliefs in these areas? What are my limiting beliefs when it comes to love? Do I believe that all men or all women are trash? Do I believe that everybody cheats? Do I believe this generation just doesn't have love anymore? That's a big one for my generation. Like, they don't make them like they do anymore. They don't make them like they used to. Relationships are dying off. Blah, blah, blah. What are your limiting beliefs when it comes to these areas? If it's your body, I can't lose weight. I don't deserve to have the body I want. I can't put on weight. No matter what I do, I struggle. This resistance part is really important, because we can affirm till we are blue in the face, but if we have 20 years of bad beliefs, limiting beliefs, just conjured up inside of us, they're going to be fighting with these new affirmations and the visualizations that you're going to do. So it's really, really important, in my perspective at least, to work on your limiting beliefs. Disclaimer, this exercise, not the most comfortable of the whole process. And it's not really designed to be. Growth, change, it's not that comfortable. If it was, we would have the things we want by now. I really believe this is an important step in the process, because I think you have to pinpoint your pain points. It's very easy to affirm something that you like affirming. It's very easy to feel good if you're feeling good. I believe getting rid of your limiting beliefs and changing them is fucking empowering, and it is life-changing. It will literally change your life. When you get rid of your limiting beliefs one by one, you feel fucking superhuman. You stop caring as much about the little shit, you build your confidence, and you become quite unstoppable, if I'm honest, because you know you can do anything. Once you take these limits off, the only way is up. So please do not skip this step. It's really, really, really important that you do not skip this step. Another big part of this step is to add in nervous system regulation. So this step is all about releasing resistance, and that is exactly what nervous system regulation does. With most people, you'll find their nervous system is in a constant state of fight or flight. They're constantly worrying, anxious, what's coming next? Can I do it? Can I not do it? Da, 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 da. Nervous system regulation will help you simmer that noise down in your brain, and it will create a calm place for your body and your mind to live in. I cannot scream about this more if I tried. EFT literally changed my manifestation game last year. EFT and self-concept, when you are pairing those two together, the results will be incredible. You will be shocked at how fast things start flying your way. So by nervous system regulation, I mean breath work, meditation, EFT, even walking for 30 minutes can be a form of nervous system regulation. I recommend figuring out what works best for you. Personally, mine is EFT. I love EFT because I don't have to sit there trying to quiet my mind. I can do something to actively move the energy around and out of my body. I have EFTs on this channel, and I also have meditations if you would like to give them a try. I don't know why I'm putting up words, because I'm going to link them down below. The third step is to program your subconscious mind. Now listen, I know that if you've only been in the law of attraction community, this step isn't as spoken about as much. Because we're taught to affirm, we're taught to visualize, but not in a specific manner. I believe in programming the subconscious mind. So daily tasks to program your subconscious mind. You have 60 to 70,000 thoughts every single day, but the majority of them are just recycled from the day before. Your old, shitty, past thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. So if we don't work to change them, then they're going to keep repeating themselves, and that is what you are going to keep manifesting. So how do we program the subconscious mind? Sleep affirmations. I will die on this hill. Sleep affirmations changed my fucking life last year. They are the most fastest way to program your subconscious mind and therefore start manifesting in your desires. So I have tutorials on this YouTube channel. Again, I'll link it below, or I have some short tutorials on my TikTok. Again, I'll find the link, I'll link it below. I recommend recording your own, and I recommend doing so with an app called the Parrot app. That's P-A-R-R-O-T, just like the bird. Take those limiting beliefs that you figured out during the second part of this process, and now I want you to flip them to the opposite positive statement. So I am never chosen becomes I'm choosing to be chosen from now on. Making money is really hard becomes money is actually really easy. Every day I'm finding new ways to make money easily. Money loves coming to me. I don't deserve anything in life becomes I deserve the fucking world. You can add phrases to these affirmations that make it feel a little bit easier, like I'm deciding or I'm choosing like I just did with I'm choosing to be chosen. Use them if present tense affirmations are feeling like, ugh. If definite I am statements feel a little bit, ugh, add in I choose or I am deciding to. Also, again, many people are going to send for me on this one, but I don't think it really matters whether you're having a future tense statement or a present tense statement. As long as the statement is creating that expectancy that you're going to have that thing, do whatever works for you. I have manifested hundreds of things using future tense affirmations, so I don't think it matters personally. As long as you're connecting to these affirmations and they are the opposite of your limiting beliefs. So you're going to program them in with sleep affirmations. If you can't do sleep affirmations, then listen to the affirmations on a recording during the day. I like things being as lazy as possible and as integrated into your day when you are programming your subconscious mind. Because who wants to sit there saying 50 affirmations on a loop all day, every day? If that floats your boat, do it. Like if you want to affirm all day and robotically affirm, do it. But having something on in the background uses the power of auto-suggestion, which is what Napoleon Hill recommends in his famous book, Think and Grow Rich. So it works. You can also do affirmation rampages. I love to do these while I'm in the car. You can do mirror work. I pointed at my mirror just there. I don't know why I was going to grab it like you don't know what a mirror is. But mirror work, and I've done this in another video, is basically while you're getting ready. Again, I love things when they're integrated into your day. So if you're already doing your makeup or brushing your teeth or styling your hair, I'm a bad bitch. I know I can get anything I want. I deserve the fucking world. And money is on its way to me right now. 10 minutes as you're doing that. I also recommend visualizing as if it's already happened. Again, I'm going to link some videos down below on how to do that. My favorite is the congratulations method or the SATS method by Neville Goddard, where you envision something as if it's already happened. You go beyond the manifestation and you visualize that what you want has already happened. So for example, a friend congratulating you on how well your business is doing, on hitting 100k subscribers, on getting engaged. You mentally hear that friend congratulating you, and that's going to imply that you already have that thing. I also love scripting for changing my self-concept and programming my subconscious mind. So scripting is where you write a journal entry in the present tense as if it had already happened that day, and you write out either your perfect day or how you're feeling. So for example, universe, I'm so fucking, like, I'm closing my eyes because I do this a lot. Universe, I'm so fucking happy. My day today has been the most perfect day. I woke up and I woke up with the love of my life. We made pancakes. It's a Sunday morning. We were dancing around the kitchen. Or you could say I had the best day in business today ever. I hit 100k in sales. Whatever you want it to be, program that in. I would do that. I would honestly do that every day, but if not every other day. Disclaimer, when you are programming your subconscious mind, sometimes it might feel tedious. It might bring up a lot of resistance, which is why the nervous system regulation is so important. But it's worth it. It is so worth it. Your brain is going to fight you on some things. Your brain does not like change. It doesn't like the unknown. It doesn't like this new reality you are trying to manifest. Whether you want it or not, it's going to put up a little bit of a fight. Just push through those moments and keep going, because it will come into fruition. Your beliefs are the blueprint for your life. So once you change your beliefs, your whole life is going to change. This is why sometimes you might feel like you've done all the methods and the techniques, but it doesn't work, because your brain is literally fighting against 20 other years of shitty beliefs. Beliefs are your blueprint. This is how you manifest effortlessly on autopilot, and you become magnetic to the things you want. You change your beliefs and the world will reflect it. Step 4 is my favorite part. A lot of teachers call it detaching. I do as well. But I also call it get a fucking life. I want you to get a fucking life, babe. What do I mean by that? You've decided what you want. You've cleared up some resistance to it and you are programming your mind for it. Now it's time to just enjoy your life until it turns up. This is like manifestation is not about sitting around waiting for something to happen. When's the universe going to give it to me? When's the universe going to decide it's mine? No. Like when you are detached, you are in a state of not caring about the how and the when. So letting go is not letting go of your desire. Letting go just does not make sense to me in terms of letting go of the desire, because I want what I want. I said I want something that I want. I want what I want, and not only that, I'm having it. Fact, end of. But what detaching allows you to do is it creates the space of the path of the least resistance for the universe to bring it to you. You know the old saying, a watched kettle never boils? It's the same with the universe. If you're sat there focusing on how it hasn't turned up yet, you are going to get more of that. The detaching part is supposed to be as fun as possible, so go out, do loads of fun things, and do things that bring you enjoyment and pleasure. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please like and subscribe if you would like more of my hints and tips on manifestation. Mwah.